If you're a packaging manufacturer, CEO, I'm going to tell you something you probably already know but haven't yet qualified. Your best capabilities are invisible to the buyers who desperately need them. You've invested millions in specialized equipment. Your team has decades of problem-solving expertise. You can solve packaging challenges your competitors don't even understand exist. But when high-value prospects search for solutions, they find your competitors instead. Or worse, they find no one and default to their current vendor. Meanwhile, your sales team is trapped in what I call the quoting trap, spending 60% of their time on activities that generate zero revenue. For a mid-sized manufacturer, that's an estimated $720,000 per year in wasted sales capacity. I'm David Marinac. I spent 35 years in the packaging industry, and over the last 6 months, I've had the same conversation with over 40 packaging CEOs. They all feel the pain. Most don't know there's a systematic solution. Today, I'm going to show you the Sales Efficiency Operating System, proven framework that turns invisible expertise into market dominance in 90 days. This isn't theory. I'll show you a real example of a Midwest fulfillment facility that went from invisible to 10x qualified inquiries in 60 days. Let's dive in. Now, before we talk about the solution, you need to understand why traditional packaging sales is broken. There are three forces working against you and your company right now. Force number one is the quoting trap. Your sales team spends countless hours quoting projects they will never win. Why? Because in 2026, 70 to 80% of B2B buyers use AI search, tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Claude to pre-qualify vendors before they even make contact. Not Google, SEO, or AdWords. When a buyer searches for 3PL Fulfillment Midwest or recyclable pet food packaging, AI doesn't just return a list of companies. It makes recommendations based upon what I call trust signals, proof points that demonstrate expertise, capability, and reliability. If your company lacks these trust signals, you're technically invisible. And when you're invisible, the only prospects who find you are price shoppers casting the widest net possible. The result? You and your team waste time quoting projects you can't win, while high-margin opportunities go to competitors who aren't necessarily better, they're just more visible. Now let's talk about trade shows. You invest 25 to 50 grand or more on booth space, travel, materials, opportunity costs, hoping the right decision maker walks to your booth at the exact moment they have a need. But here's what actually happens. You tell me if I'm wrong. You meet 200 people. 180 are tire kickers, students, or even competitors. 15 are legit prospects, but not actual decision makers. 5 might be worth following up. 1 to 2 actually convert in 6 to 12 months. Sounds about right. The math does not work. You're paying 25 or more for a qualified conversation you have zero control over. Meanwhile, your competitors who built what I call a digital discovery dominance, they're having qualified conversations daily without even leaving their office. Force number 3 is the wisdom gap. Here's the tragedy. Your senior engineers and operators have solved problems your competitors don't even know exist. They know why certain structures fail, how to protect line speeds during transitions, which materials work in specific applications, and how to avoid costly mistakes. This knowledge is worth hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars, but it's locked inside their heads, inaccessible to buyers who actually need it. When the experts retire, and they will, the manufacturing workforce is aging rapidly, by the way. That invisible expertise walks out the door forever. You lose not just their knowledge, but the competitive advantage it represents. These 3 forces are working against you right now, and they're getting worse, not better. Most packaging manufacturers respond to soft sales by doing more of what's not working. Hire more sales reps. Buy more leads at ZoomInfo or ThomasNet. Increase trade show spend, which we know is a waste. Launch generic content marketing, blog posts that nobody reads. This is expensive theater. You're treating problems, not the disease. The real problem isn't lead volume, it's sales efficiency. You don't need more leads. You need fewer, better conversations with prospects who actually need your specialized capabilities, understand the value you deliver, are ready to buy, not just browsing, will pay premium prices because they see you and your company as the solution. This requires fundamentally different approach. That's where the sales efficiency operating system comes in. Now, this isn't just a lead gen tool or some marketing automation. No, it's a complete replacement for manual sales hustle. A system that creates predictable, high-margin growth by turning your invisible expertise into market dominance. SEOS works through 3 interconnected pillars. Let me break them down. Pillar number 1, controlled visibility. Most packaging companies make a fatal mistake. They try to be visible everywhere to everyone. They're on every directory, every trade publication, every LinkedIn feed, and buyers can't tell them apart. Controlled visibility takes the opposite approach. Instead of shouting into the void, we build strategic visibility in the exact places where your ideal buyers are searching and researching solutions. This starts with trust signals, proof points that show up when AI search tools evaluate vendors. We deploy these throughout what I call a clean slate marketplace profile, a purpose-built digital presence optimized for AI discovery, separate from your legacy's website baggage. Now, why clean slate? AI rewards specific, detailed, well-structured content. Your 10-year-old website, stuffed with generic SEO keywords and outdated case studies, actively works against you. Starting fresh lets us position you for how buyers search today, not how they researched in 2015. The result? When a qualified buyer researches you and your company for specialized capabilities, you don't just appear in results, you appear as the obvious choice. Now, pillar number 2 is what we call precision targeting in orchestrated engagement. Once you're visible to the right buyers, the next challenge is engagement. Traditional outreach fails because it's manual, inconsistent, and interruptive. Cold calls that go to voicemail, generic emails that get deleted, LinkedIn spam that gets ignored, follow-ups that never happen. Precision targeting solves the who problem. Using what I call competitive intelligence scouting, we identify companies that match your ideal customer profile. Companies actively searching for solutions like yours with budget and authority to buy, not currently dominated by entrenched competitors. Then, orchestrated engagement solves the how problem. Instead of interrupting prospects with sales pitches, we use multiple touch content activation to educate them. Relevant case studies, technical guides, problem-solving frameworks, assessment tools, even information about the industry or their competitors. This isn't marketing automation spam. It's what I call curiosity-driven engagement. Content so relevant and valuable that prospects actively want to consume it. And here's the key. This entire process by AI agents is done 24/7, handling 90% of early-stage engagement automatically. Your sales team only gets involved when buyer intent qualification signals indicate they're interested. The result? Your team spends time having sales-ready conversations with educated prospects who understand your value, not chasing tire kickers or explain basics to people who aren't ready to buy. Pillar number 3 is what we call wisdom scaling. This is where most manufacturers have their greatest untapped advantage and their greatest vulnerability. Wisdom scaling is the process of extracting your factory's lived experience and turning it into scalable sales assets. Let me explain. Step 1, we capture the knowledge through deep dive interviews with your team, problem solvers, senior experts. We structure it and organize it for buyer intent, turning raw knowledge into lived experience assets like problem-solving guides, application frameworks, transition playbooks. In step 3, we deploy it systematically. These assets become the fuel for your educated buyer and decision-maker pipeline. This competitive moat, your competitors can copy your equipment, all they want. They can't copy 30 years of problem-solving experience, especially when you're systemized and you've systemized all of it and they haven't. And when your senior experts eventually retire, their knowledge lives in the system, continuing to generate sales long after they're gone. That's the power of wisdom scaling. Let me show you how this works in practice. A Midwest fulfillment facility, 233,000 square feet of capacity, needed to build a new building fast. They were competing against established players who dominated search visibility. The problem? Despite superior capabilities, integrated manufacturing, digital print, plus fulfillment hybrid, subscription box expertise, they were invisible to high-value prospects like Stitch Fix, BarkBox, and the Dollar Shave Club. Their old approach: sales team manually prospected, attended $25,000 to $50,000 trade shows hoping to meet decision makers, cold outreach on Zoom info lists, spending 60% of their time on unqualified prospects. Now, we deployed the sales efficiency operating system. Week number 1 to 2 was the map. We identified goldmine opportunities, subscription fulfillment plus digital print hybrid, and mapped a competitive advantage. Steps 3, or weeks 3 to 6, was the Searchlight. We built a clean slate marketplace profile, optimized for AI search, created trust signals demonstrating their unique capabilities, and deployed content answering questions prospects actually ask. And finally, the engine. We activated AI agents targeting Stitch Fix, BarkBox, Dollar Shave Club level companies. Deployed automated multi-touch sequence educating prospects, and routed only ready-to-buy conversations to their sales team. The result? 10x increase in qualified leads, surpassed competitors in digital discovery, pipeline filled with brands looking for fulfillment, those teams spending 70% of time closing versus before, facility filling systematically without trade shows or cold calling, 7 times more deals at 87% lower cost per deal. That's not more work, that's profit-generating machine. The CEO told me we had more conversations in 90 days in the previous 3 years combined, and it keeps getting easier, not harder, easier. So how does this actually get implemented? We use what we call the sales sprint framework, 3 sequential phases that deliver results fast. Week 1 is the map, 90-minute strategy session, competitive baseline assessment, target account profile, and a written scouting report for 30, 60, and 90 days out. Investment, $1,500 one time. Clear, low-risk roadmap. You can implement it with us internally or do it yourself. Phase 2 is what we call the Searchlight. Build dominant positioning and visibility in your target niches. We are not going out saying we sell packaging. We are going out creating very, very specific content directed towards those key niches that only you guys can do. The deliverables are clean slate marketplace profile, trust signal package, wisdom scaling interviews, competitive intelligence positioning. You can transform from invisible to discoverable when qualified buyers search for your capabilities. Phase number 3 is the engine. We activate target accounts and create predictable pipeline flow. AI sales agent deployment, precision targeting list activation, multi-touch content activation sequences, and pipeline intelligence dashboard that you see the content and the data 24/7. The outcome? Your sales team receives a steady flow of steady sales-ready conversations with educated prospects who understand your value. That's it. 90 days from invisible to indispensable. Here's what most CEOs don't understand about sales efficiency systems. Traditional sales gets harder as you grow. More reps, more leads, more prospects, more complexity. So here's what I'm proposing. Invest $1,500 in a 90-minute strategy session. We call this the map. Calculate exactly what your current sales approach is costing you. Identify 1 to 2 gold mine opportunities. Map where you stand versus your competitors in digital discovery. See how you can beat them right now. Show you what system would look like for your specific company, not some generic theory, and give you a clear go, no-go decision point with written roadmap that you can decide. 3 possible outcomes. Number 1, you decide this isn't right for your company. Number 2, you decide to implement it internally. And number 3, you decide to move forward with us. We install the system in 90 days, transition it to performance-based compensation. We only win if you win. No obligation beyond $1,500. No pressure. But here's what you need to know. The packaging industry is 20 years behind in sales efficiency. Most manufacturers are still using a 2005 playbook. Trade shows, cold calls, hope, and pray. This creates a massive opportunity only to early movers. Manufacturers who install this system in 2026 will dominate their markets for the next 5 years. The ones who wait, they'll spend the next decade playing catch-up, while their competitors have already captured high-value accounts. You have a 6 to 9 month window. After that, your competitors will figure this out as well. Look, I know this sounds like a lot, and maybe you're thinking this is just another consultant trying to sell me something. I'm a packaging expert. I've been in the packaging space for 35 years. But here's the thing. Whether you work with us or not, this shift is happening. AI search is already changing how buyers find vendors. Your competitors are already building digital discovery platform and dominance. The only question is whether you're going to lead this transformation or react to it after your competitors have a 12-month head start. If you're a packaging manufacturer CEO who's tired of watching competitors win deals you should have won, let's have a conversation. Schedule your roadmap session, and the link is in the description below. Connect with me on LinkedIn and DM me at any time. Let's turn your invisible expertise into your most powerful sales weapon. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like it, please subscribe, please share it with anybody else you think it may help. Thanks.